2029. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Two other stories making headlines. The government has launched public service operations in the newly gazetted Ashabito's in Mandera North, marking a major milestone for residents. Speaking during the launch, where he unveiled the Huduma Smart Serikalini initiative, Mandera Edition Public Service CS Geoffrey Roku reaffirmed the government's commitment to decentralize services and ensure no Kenyan is left behind. Elsewhere, medical staff under universal health coverage have vowed to continue with their strike until the demands are met. Our reporter Wanjiku Wanjiru with this and more stories from the counties.
Public Service CS Geoffrey Ruku led celebrations in Ashabito sub-county, Mandera North, as the government officially launched public service operations in the newly gazetted administrative unit. During the event, he unveiled the Huduma Smart Serikalini initiative, Mandera Edition, reaffirming the government's commitment to decentralize services and ensure no Kenyan is left behind.
Tunasema wananchi wa Kenya popote walipo, wakiwa Mandera, wakiwa Kisumu, wakiwa Ramu, wakiwa kona yote ya Kenya, wasikia kwamba huduma za serikali zinaweza kufika kwa karibu.
Elsewhere, workers under universal